We're getting ready to call the Loof bird, and we're going to sing for the Loof. How do we call for the Loof?
Sing the name of the character.
Yeah, because we read this article. Let me see this article here. And this is what it looks like. It's moving. And now we know what it likes. What does it eat, guys?
Carrots!
And other things. Don't be loud because then it won't come over, right? It's very elusive. So we might see it on the top of a tree somewhere.
I see
Orange. You see it already?
I see a bird. It's a robin.
Now wait, how do you do it?
You hold it up high.
Hold it up high, so I want to see those carrots. Make sure that it doesn't think it's your finger and come get your finger. And you do a sing-song. Guys, all of you come out here so I can see you. Where's that circle? That half circle we had. Dayton, now sing it. Dayton, come here. I'm trying to get a picture. Do you see any?
I see an American robin.
Hey, we're doing something wrong. Do your own song. Don't all do the same song together. Let's see. Go ahead and start. There's a robin in the tree. No, guys, I'm like a sing-song voice. Lirpa, like that. Don't keep following me. Stop. I'm trying to get a picture of it. You're following me. And stop. Did you see the bird in the tree?
No.
Look. Is that it?
Yeah, we saw it. No.
We found it?
No.
Not the Lirpa.
That's the
Okay, do it again.
Lirpa.